Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, red color, yellow ochre color. So kids, now we draw alphabets and first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and U is yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S and U is blue color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. And first we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, red color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first we draw A. A for apple.
Next time won't you sing with me?
B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. It's now you draw H and U is yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O, the alphabets of O, and U is blue color. O for orange. B for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and U is black color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much. Green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow ochre color, and red color. So okay, so now you draw one and use green color. One,
now I know my
two,
ABCs. Next
three,
time, won't you sing with me?
4,
A, B,
5,
C, D, E, F, G,
6.
H, I,
It's now you draw
J, K,
7.
L, M, N, O, P,
The numbers
Q,
of
R, S,
7
T,
and
U,
use
V,
yellow color.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
7,
my ABCs. Next time,
8,
won't you sing with me?
9, 10, 11, 12. It's now you draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use blue color. 13,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
14,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
15,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,
16,
and Z. Now I know my
17,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
18. It's now you draw 19.
A, B,
The numbers
C,
of
D, E,
19
F, G,
and
H,
use
I,
black
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
19,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
20,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
21,
me?
22, 23, 24. It's now you draw 25. The numbers of 25 and use yellow ochre color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
26,
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
27,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
28,
with me?
29,
A, B, C,
and
D,
lastly
E,
draw
F, G, H, I, J, K,
30.
L, M,
The
N, O,
numbers
P,
of
Q,
30.
R, S,
Thank you so much for watching.
T, U, V,
Subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
W, X,
Bye bye.
Y,